considering it will only last really through today, considering tomorrow it's back to reality, back to feeling more wintry-like out there. But today we could be seeing our first 60-degree day of 2022, but average the 30-year normals, which is 1991 to 2020, we typically see our first 60-degree day by February 3rd, so it's a little bit later this year. However, our first 40 as well as our first 50-degree day was already reached on January 1st, considering high temperatures on New Year's Day reached right around 50 degrees. So today could also be record breaking for the daily record because we're tracking a high temperature forecast high for Boston 60, forecast high for Worcester 56, and the current record set back in 1999 is 50 in Boston, 56 in Worcester. So we could be close to tying that record in Worcester, but at least Boston likely will be breaking that daily record. We're already seeing those temperatures surging into the 50s, 51 right now in Lawrence, 52 in Boston, into low to mid 50s farther south and east, and we're already reached 50 in Worcester, 50 also for Jaffrey, which is typically some of the coldest airs that we typically see on the map. Winds right now mainly out of the south and west. That's that warm air sliding in ahead of a cold front that's off towards our north and west, and that cold front will usher in the return of some wintry like cold as well as the threat for some snow showers. But out of the south and west, between 10 even closer to 15 miles per hour, will be breezy through the afternoon. We do have a few rain showers on the map, those mainly off towards the north and west. Those will just produce a few sprinkles possible through the day today, but overall many locations do remain dry, and we'll likely see some more sunshine emerging through the afternoon. That will allow those temperatures to warm up. But later on tomorrow, we're looking at some colder air sliding in, light snow showers breaking out, high temperatures only into low 30s. I like to see a high temperature right at the freezing mark. And it's all behind this cold front off towards our north and west. That'll swing in, ushering in the colder air, and then we do have an offshore system sliding by just towards our south and east, and with the colder air in place, the outer fringes of some of the precipitation will produce some light snow showers across the area by about 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Again, very light. This is a minor snow event, but looking at towards 2 p.m. those snow showers do retreat farther south and east, and that continues through dinner time tomorrow evening. By about 8 p.m. those snow showers should be confined to right along the south shore down towards the Cape and the islands. Those winds do shift to mainly out of the north-northeast, and that will produce some ocean-enhanced snow showers across portions of the south shore and down towards the Cape, which is why we will likely see some higher totals with the snowfall forecast for the Cape and the islands. But elsewhere, we're looking at about a coating to an inch for 495 corridor in areas right along and south of the Mass Pike. But down towards the south shore, Cape and the islands, we're looking at about 1 to 3. I think isolated 3 inches of snow where we do see some of the heaviest of those ocean effect snow bands do set up later on Sunday into early Monday. But here's a view of the rest of that 7-day forecast. We go from 60 today to low 30s tomorrow, so weather whiplash over the next 24 hours, but even colder. So get towards Monday just in time for Valentine's Day, low 20s, upper 20s by Tuesday, Wednesday 40s, and then back into the 50s by the end of the week.